This is 50 liters vacuum emulsifying mixer with water and oil tank. And this is Siemens screen. And this is a protective case to protect the screens and effective to the dustproof and the waterproof. And you can see we use English and Chinese for this time. Here is English and Chinese. Okay, you can see this is a main screen. Click here, you can see all the function on the screen. So all the function can be operated on the screen, like vacuum, mixer, homogenizer, heating, and so on. And this is the oil and water part. Okay, click here, and you can see the water and oil tank functions can be operated on this screen. And this is a setting. This is a setting. You can set up the mixing speed and time, homogenizer speed and time, and the temperature range as you need from here. And this is a formula and the around screen. Okay. This is a cabiner. You can see there are some electric appliances are inside, and this is a Siemens inverters and the Schneider electric appliance and so on, and the Siemens PLC. For this time we use IP65 with accent, dust and proof. And then you can see this is a indicator light and the main power, emergency stop and the lighting. The main tank is a double jacket with 3 layers. Here is a jacket water inlet. Before heating, you must passing the water from here into the jacket. And then you can set up the temperature range as you need from the screen. Upper or lower the range, and the heating will automatically stop or start. It's very smart. Okay, you can see this is a homogenizer motor, and this is a pneumatic discharge, and you can, when your product is finished, you can discharge your finished product from here. Okay, this is a homogenizer motor. All motors are ABB global brand, and there are some heating rolls in here. When you open the heating rolls will heat your water. But before heating, you must passing the water into jacket to protect the jacket. And you can see this is a liquid metal. When the water over these positions, the color will be changed. And this is a jacket view window, and you can check the jacket water from here. Here is a jacket water outlet. When the water overflow here, it means the jacket is full of water. The next, this is a buffer tank, and the lifting motor also is ABB brand, and the vacuum pump. Here is some pipes, and you can see this is a homogenizer cooling water outlet and the inlet and the air inlet, and here is a vacuum pump water outlet. Okay, you can see there are some accessories on the cover. Here is a CIP board in the main tank. After your product is finished, you can passing the liquid chemical from here into the main tank to wash the tank. And here is a LED light, and this is a powder hopper. In the production, you can add some powder or other essence from here into main tank. And here is a material inlet, passing the pure water or raw materials from here. You can see this is a pipe to connect the the material inlet. Open the vacuum function, you can suck the raw material from water and oil tanks into the main tank. Yes. Okay. And there are water and oil tanks. Also has heating and dispersing. This is a disperser at the bottom. And here is a half-open lid, convenient to feed the materials. And here is an aviation shock. Connect the water oil tanks with the main tank. Okay, you can see this is a main hound with scraper. You can check the products in the production process from here. And this is a pressure gauge. We tend to display the vacuum value. And here are some vacuum pipes. Okay, you can see this is a brake valve. After finish the vacuum, you can open the disc valve. There is a filter in it to prevent the impurities into the main tank. Now, let me show you the functions. Click the screen. Light up function, open here. When the lid is rising and the other functions cannot be operated, which can protect your tanks and ensure the safety of workers. This is a double-way mixing panel. Internal and external mixing for clockwise and anti-clockwise, which can effectively mix your product more evenly. You can see this is a setting oil. The mixing panel with scrapers. Here, this is a high shear homogenizer at the bottom. And this is a discharge. We use up and bottom discharge plunger valve so that which is parallel to the bottom tank and mix your product is more evenly. Okay, let me show you the mixing function. Create the setting. Okay, now so this is a mixing speed is 10. Okay, open the mixer. The mixing function will automatically start. Now let me show you the faster. Like 20. Okay. We set the mixing time is 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the mixer will automatically stop. Okay, now turn off the mixer. The mixing function will automatically stop. Okay, let me show you the homogenizer. Also, setting the speed and the time as you need. Okay, you can see this is 1 minute. Okay, open the homogenizer function. Now turn off the homogenizer. And you can see the homogenizer function will automatically stop. Okay, here is a vacuum function. Before vacuum, other valve must be closed. So we need to down the lid. We automatically start. Okay. Let me show you the vacuum function. Also, you can set up the value as you need from here, the upper and the lower. And important, all the valves must be closed. Just open the vacuum valve. you want to perform this action. So let's go on the OK. The pressure gauge will display the value you can see. Now let's turn off the vacuum function. Also confirm again, so you can click OK. The vacuum function will automatically stop. And let me show you the water and oil port functions. Also has disperser heating discharge. Let me show you the disperser function. Same, set up the time and the speed as you need from here. Now you can see the speed is 100 and time is 1 minute. And this is 500. The time also is 1 minute. Okay. Turn off the disperser for the oil tank and turn on the disperser for the water pump. Now you can see the disperser is automatically start. Now we turn off the disperser for oil tank and open the water pump for disperser. And you can see the disperser is automatically start for the water tank and the oil tank is automatically stop. Okay, let me show you the faster, like 800. You can see that this disperser is faster than before. Because we just now set up the 1 minute for the water tank with disperser. Now after the 1 minute, the disperser will automatically stop. And this is the formula. You can store your formulas from here on the screen. Okay. Now we will show you the damp and the reset function, so that we need to up the leaf. Okay, let me show you the damp function. You can press and hold the displays like here. Okay. Now let me show you the reset. Also, it's press and hold the displays. Now let me show you the discharge function. Click here and confirm again. Now you can see the discharge is automatically. Confirm again. Turn off the discharge and you can see the discharge is automatically stopped. And about the heating function, and you can see you can set up the temperature range as you need, the upper and the lower for the main part. Now open the heating function. Also, you need to confirm again, so the heating function will automatically start. Okay, turn off the heating. Also confirm again, the heating function will automatically stop.